Ito po yung ginamit doon sa yung YSL.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ano po yung ang aking pagkaintindi rito, correct me if I'm wrong, na dapat may makuha ng information na ginamit yung confidential fund and that an activity was conducted because of that information and that information gathering and that activity were successful.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Tama po ba yung
Tama
pagkaintindi ko?
Tama pa, Mr. Chair.
Now, if I may ask, how would you know or how would you be able to find out na merong information na nakuha muna before they have conducted their YSL?
Wala po kaming information on that. So, either may separate sila as part ng purchase of information and then separate yung rewards or nabayaran na siya same with rewards.
Pero requirement po nyo yun, di ba? Requirement na circular.
Yun. Kaya po yung yung
Because
additional requirement.
that is precisely the reason why you will justify the buying of information,
Yes,
which would lead to a successful event or operation.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Di po ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Kasi ginagawa, I know that.
Sila mag-submit ng additional documents. And yung nag-review po, naging sufficient yung 5
And
certifications.
that is enough to show na tama po yung ginawa nila just because nag-submit sila ng certification that YLS was conducted and it was successful. Di ba ang concept dapat nun is you use confidential fund to buy information and because of that information bought or acquired, you conduct an operation
Yes,
and
Mr.
that
Chair.
operation should turn successful.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ganun po yung requirement sa amin nung nasa servisyo kami. Intelligence fund.
Yes,
Basically, they are the same.
tama po, Mr. Chair.
So, bakit po naniwala kayo sa certification lang na successful yung pag-conduct ng YSL?
Since yun nga po, independent na agency po yung nagbigay ng certification. And sabi naman po niya na because of the YLS nga wala pong na-influence na mga bata, we deemed it successful. Compared po dun sa yung sabi niyo po kanina na yung sa VP SPG group, ang sinabit lang po nila was a listing of the activities of the Vice President, which is wala naman pong information kung may success ba na may successful activity ba na nagawa because of the information they have gathered.
Yun yung sa security group.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Within 6 months.
Appeal po, Mr. Chair.
And the deadline will be on?
February 2024.
Oh, yun. Again, Mr.
February
Chair,
5.
I have pointed this out during the previous hearing. Pag EUM kasi, okay, you issue an EUM for the Confidential and Intelligence Fund for the Office of the Vice President. Nag-issue kayo ng EUM and they're allowed
15 days to
15
answer.
days. After 15 days, you validate the
Hindi po mangyari dahil ang pinag-uusapan po natin dito ay pera ng mamamayan.
Yung budget on flood control. So, hinahanap nila nasaan yung budget. Sabi nila, it's 1 billion a day daw ang budget sa flood control, which is 1 billion a day, that's 360
Wow, ang
billion
laki.
a year.
Budget sa flood control, 1 billion a day. Wala bang nag-iimbestiga?
So, interconnected kaming 4 na river. Talagang pinag-aralan yan na pag nireclaim kami, talagang babaha kami from 6 meters to 8 meters. And that is 3-story building. Ang 6-meter na baha is 3-story building. Kaya
Hindi naman to pera ng isang tao, pera to ng Pilipino na dapat
Tama, pera ito ng bayad. Imbestigahan din natin itong flood control kung sino mga kontratista ang kumita.
po natin inaalagaan.
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Abante, you recognize.
gusto kong malaman kung tapos ng investigasyon ng COA dito sa allowances na inyong binigay sa Office ng Vice President. Tapos na po ba lahat ng investigasyon?
Mr. Chair, dun sa notice of disallowance, inaantay pa po namin kung mag-a-appeal sila. So, hindi pa po final. Yung iba pong mga audit observation memoranda na issued po nila, nag-submit na po sila ng compliance and yun po yung mga pinag-aaralan po namin ngayon.
Okay. So, hindi pa kayo tapos, ano po?
No, Mr. Chair.
Ilang porsyento na po ang natapos nyo? For example, like, so, mayroon bang 50% or 60 or 70%?
Considering po na gusto nyo magpaka-strict kami today, may mga nire-audit po kami and hindi pa po namin ma-issue yung next, which is yung notice of suspension.
Okay. So, hindi nyo maaaring masabi kung ilang porsyento na ho, lahat.
Mr. Chair, parang tatlong tao po yung tatlong ibang team members yung iba-ibang AOM, so hindi ko po masabi ngayon yung exact na yung status na po ng
Sa mga natapos po ninyo,